Hello, welcome to the AAS reading room in the heart of the British Library. My name is Dr. Saqib Baburi, and here today we are going to examine 3 wedding certificates from the Persian collection. Let's have a look at the earliest of this assemblage, which is the wedding certificate of Kale Sahib. Kale Sahib, whose full name is Ghulam Nasiruddin, was the Sufi master of the last Emperor Bahadur Shah II. And you can see down the side lots of witness statements over a gilded ground, which indicates that he's part of the royal circle. Here to the side you see also the seal of the presiding Qazi. Let's move over to the next one, which is a far more famous document, and this is the wedding certificate of Emperor Bahadur Shah II, the last emperor. And you see here the heavy use of embellishment over a gilded ground, again indicating a royal document. And we have here 3 elements. The Arabic formula that sanctifies the text. You have a portion talking about the lady's terms and conditions. The lady is named here as Malikatul Zamani Nawab Zinat Mahal Begum Sahiba. And then the portion that deals with the emperor and his terms and conditions. And here he is named Abu Zafar Sirajuddin Muhammad Bahadur Shah Padishahi Ghazi, with his full genealogy on lines below. He has additionally signed his own name in a cartouche here. And below that you find seals of all the witnesses that presided over the ceremony. Let's move over to one of the last of these assemblages. We acquired the Dalhousie papers, and as part of this assemblage we encountered this very strange but beautiful gilded document, which turned out to be the wedding certificate of one of Bahadur Shah's eldest brothers. And this is dated 1824, and to top it off we have also the signature of Prince Bahadur Shah, here named as